Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the UI root and tangible objects. Create a screen GUI in Starter GUI and set Reset on Spawn to false so your menu persists on Respawn. Then add a frame as the menu container and size it using scale to support different resolutions. This makes it responsive. Next, drop buttons and text labels into the frame and use anchor point and position to snap elements accurately. Once done, name elements clearly so scripts can reference them without guesswork. Now you implement interactivity with scripts focused on the client. Place a local script inside the screen GUI. You want input and visuals handled locally for smooth feedback. Connect each button. Activate it to functions that show or hide frames, play sounds, or fire remote events to the server for secure actions. Use Context Action Service for keyboard shortcuts like opening the menu with Escape, which keeps input consistent across platforms. Make sure to debounce button presses to prevent double activation and race conditions. Finish by polishing visuals and ensuring server synchronization. Use remote events when an action needs server validation, like purchases or spawning, so you avoid exploitable client-only logic. Add tween service transitions for smooth open and close animations, and set z-index behavior to global to maintain correct layering. Test the menu both in solo and play server sessions. Watch the output for errors, and check that debounces and permission checks work. If something breaks, verify element.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.